Which is the longest river on the earth? Nile River. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Japan. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? 29 days. Which place in India is also known as land of rising sun? Arunachal Pradesh. Which place in India is also known as heaven on earth? Kashmir. Which festival is also known as Festival of Lights? Diwali. Which festival is also known as Festival of Colors? Holi. How many weeks are there in a calendar year? 52 weeks. How many fingers are there in a human body's single hand? 5 fingers. Name the largest river island in Asia. Majuli Island. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Which is the biggest continent in the world? Asia. How many months do we have in a year? 12 months. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who has written the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaiah. What is the national fruit of India? Mango. Name the current President of India. Ramnath Kovind. Name the current Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi. The national tree of India. Banyan tree. The first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. What is the national game of India? Hockey.